A new wave of major aviation changes is emerging, and travelers around the world are about to experience airports in a completely different way. Among all the updates, one stands out as the most transformative: new airport rules in 2026 that will change how you travel forever. These upcoming regulations will redefine security, speed, convenience, and the overall flow of every journey. Before diving into the details, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more essential travel updates. Number 10. Stricter digital identity verification. 2026 will introduce a fully automated identity system that relies heavily on biometric confirmation. Airports across the world are preparing to phase out physical IDs and replace them entirely with digital identity records stored securely within government-approved platforms. Passengers will need facial, iris, or palm recognition to pass security checkpoints, eliminating the need to present passports manually. This update aims to remove long queues and reduce human error, but it also means every traveler must pre-register their biometrics before arriving at the airport. Those who fail to verify in advance may face extended delays or be denied entry into security zones. Privacy concerns continue to rise, yet governments assure that all data will be encrypted and limited strictly to travel authentication. The new system promises speed, accuracy, and a smoother boarding experience from start to finish. Number 9. Carry-on size reclassification. Airports and airlines are preparing to enforce a universal sizing standard for all carry-on luggage. The inconsistent measurements used across different airlines will be replaced by one global rule that applies everywhere. This change will particularly impact passengers used to bringing slightly oversized bags that previously slipped through without issue. The new system uses smart scanning machines that automatically detect size, weight, and density, and they will immediately flag any violations. Passengers may face instant bag checks or mandatory gate-side bag transfers to the cargo hold. To reduce arguments and frustration at the boarding gate, the rules will be displayed clearly at terminals, and travelers are encouraged to measure bags before arrival. The uniform standard will bring clarity, but it also means stricter enforcement than ever. Number 8. Advanced AI behavior screening. One of the biggest changes arriving in 2026 is the introduction of subtle AI-driven behavior monitoring. Cameras placed throughout the airport will analyze micro-expressions, walking patterns, and movement irregularities to detect potential threats long before reaching security lines. This technology is designed to identify suspicious behavior using real-time pattern analysis rather than relying only on manual observation. Passengers showing signs of stress, avoidance behavior, or abnormal gestures may be pulled aside for additional screening. While the goal is increased safety, it also means travelers must stay calm and composed throughout the airport. The system is not intended to punish honest passengers, but false triggers may still occur, leading to random checks for those flagged by the algorithm. Number 7. Pre-security health clearance. Health requirements at airports are entering a new era. Instead of random checks or special stations used during past global health emergencies, 2026 will bring routine health scanning for all passengers. Thermal imaging, respiratory pattern monitoring, and automated symptom detection will be integrated into the airport entrance. Anyone showing signs of fever, severe cough, or infectious risk may be redirected to a health assessment zone. Travelers might need to provide digital health declarations depending on destination requirements. This change aims to reduce disease spread through airports and maintain safer travel environments. But it also adds an extra step passengers must factor into timing and preparation. Number 6. Smart security lanes with no tray system. Traditional conveyor belt trays used at security checkpoints will start disappearing in favor of fully automated scanning belts that detect liquids, electronics, and metallic objects inside bags without requiring removal. These new belts use multi-layer X-ray imaging and pressure-free detection that can analyze an entire bag in seconds. Passengers will simply place luggage on the belt without removing laptops, liquids, or accessories. This reduces clutter, speeds up lines, and minimizes human contact. However, airports with older systems may continue using trays temporarily until upgrades are complete, meaning travelers must pay attention to posted signs to avoid confusion. The new system promises smoother flow and shorter waiting times during peak travel seasons. Number 5. Boarding pass elimination. A dramatic shift is coming as airports move toward a completely boarding pass-free experience. Instead of scanning paper or mobile passes, passengers will walk through automated gates that identify them instantly using facial or palm recognition. Airlines will sync reservation information directly with airport systems, allowing the gate to automatically confirm seat numbers and travel details. This improvement removes confusion about lost passes or phone battery issues, but it requires passengers to ensure all information is accurate in advance. Any mismatched details, incorrect spellings, or unverified documents may cause delays at automated gates. The system is engineered to reduce staffing needs and speed up boarding, but it also demands greater accuracy during booking. Number 4. Real-time baggage tracking mandate. 2026 will finally introduce the global rule travelers have been demanding for years: mandatory real-time baggage tracking for every checked bag. Microchips inside luggage tags will relay constant updates from check-in to aircraft loading to arrival. Travelers will open an app and see where their bag is at any moment, eliminating the mystery behind lost baggage. Airports will be required to provide tracking transparency, and airlines that fail to comply may face penalties. This rule improves efficiency, reduces theft, and builds trust, but it also means older luggage tags will be phased out. Passengers with outdated bags may be encouraged to switch to compatible tags to avoid scanning errors. Number 3. Automated customs pre-clearance zones. One of the most revolutionary updates will be the expansion of automated pre-clearance zones inside major airports. These zones will allow passengers to complete immigration and customs processes before even landing in their destination country. AI-powered kiosks will scan biometrics, verify travel history, and issue instant clearance decisions. This innovation means passengers arriving at pre-clearance-enabled destinations can walk out of the airport without standing in long immigration lines. However, stricter document checks will occur before departure, and travelers who fail to meet criteria may be denied boarding until issues are resolved. The system enhances efficiency, but demands more preparation from passengers to avoid delays. Number 2. Digital wallet requirement for airport payments. The era of cash-based transactions within airports is fading fast. By 2026, many major airports will require passengers to use a certified digital wallet for most purchases, including food, shopping, and lounge access. This rule aims to speed up transactions and minimize physical contact, but it also requires passengers to set up verified digital wallets in advance. Some duty-free shops may still accept physical cards, but cash restrictions will be strict. Travelers must ensure their wallet apps function internationally and are linked to valid payment methods. This simplifies spending, but may create challenges for passengers unfamiliar with digital payment systems. Number 1. AI-controlled terminal flow management. The biggest and most impactful change coming in 2026 will be the introduction of complete AI control over terminal flow and passenger movement. Instead of human staff managing lines, signals, and zones, AI systems will constantly analyze traffic patterns and direct passengers automatically through displays, voice announcements, and adaptive lighting pathways. The system can reopen lanes, close sections, redirect crowds, or accelerate conveyor belts based on real-time conditions. This replaces traditional staff-driven crowd control methods and dramatically reduces congestion during peak hours. Passengers must follow AI-led directions carefully, because the system adapts instantly and may change routes within seconds. This update creates smoother airport experiences, but requires attention, patience, and trust in automated guidance. Airports around the world are entering a future driven by faster processing, smarter technology, and powerful automation systems that will transform every stage of travel. These changes promise greater convenience and safety, but they also require passengers to stay informed and prepared for rapid updates. As these new rules shape the way people move through airports, staying aware will make every trip smoother and less stressful. For more essential travel insights and updates that help make your journeys easier, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.